What I call sound before transcript is a way of cutting your sound recording into smaller bits before you transcribe them. And this is appropriate if you have the kind of recording that has its utterances easily kind of limited, where you easily know when is the end of one utterance. Typically not if you have data with a lot of overlaps. Sound before transcript would be more tricky for that kind of recording. So let me show you how it works. You go to mode and you choose either F5 or transcribe sound or movie.
Hej! Jag heter Frida och du heter Lea. Och du kan prata svenska också. Wow.
So I'm pressing the spacebar to have these dots show up, the bullet points, and that gives me one unit of sound. And then I can go and listen to this by either pressing F4 or clicking play bullet media.
Hej!
So here is, I know it's the adults, so I'm using command 2, which is the command that I have up here, in case you need to remind yourself of them. And then I have hey, full stop, and space. And then I move along just like that. So either F4 or the shortcut play, or I click play bullet media.
Jag heter Frida och du heter...
And that was the adult, so command 2 and F4.
Jag heter Frida och du heter...
Question mark there. And then I will move through the transcription in that way.